Hello everyone, welcome back to my devlog series. It's been 2 weeks since my last video and I have some updates. So this time what I thought I would do is I would just go through my commit history and tell you what I implemented. So the first thing I did was to set the stars on the weapon. If I go near the weapon, we can see that a widget pops up, and based on the power of the weapon, I set these stars. See, these weapons are less powerful, so each weapon has a variable called power, as you can see here. So this one has 15 and this one has 70, and I set these stars based on that. Here I calculate the number of stars. Basically between powers between 0 to 19 is just 1 star, and between 20 to 39 is 2 stars, and it goes on up to 100. Next, I implemented equipping and swapping weapons. Here, when I press pick up, I swap the weapon with what I have. And also I have this widget at the bottom of the screen that says base weapon, and here I can see how much ammo that I have in the magazine and how much ammo I have carrying with myself. So I have 2 ammos in the magazine, carrying 30 ammos in total. If I shoot my last ammo, like so, it's just going to automatically reload, play a reload animation. And if I press R, it's still gonna play a reload animation, but this time it's not gonna load because our magazine capacity is full. Okay, the next thing I did was to make the movement a little bit more intuitive. The first thing I did with the movement is I implemented aim offsets, which means that now the character turns his weapon wherever I look. I'm looking right, and the character is turning and looking right, but his feet is staying the same. However, if I turn a little bit more than 90 degrees, I'm going to play a turn and place animation. So now the movement seems more natural, like so. And when I'm running, you can see there's a little bit of a lean when I'm running and turning at the same time. So I'm running and turning at the same time. I'm turning towards right, and the character is leaning right. The same thing happens when I'm moving backwards as well. The jumping animation seems a little bit more natural too, I think, now. So I can turn at any place and the character is just going to follow the camera with his upper body for a little while, and then if it's too much, then it's gonna play a turning animation and turn at that place. And the next thing I did was implementing ammo. If I go near the ammo, we can see a widget pops up. It shows me that it says shotgun ammo with the image right there, and it also includes 10 items, like 10 ammos, and I can pick it up with E, or I can just go near it and it's going to automatically pick up. And if you look at the widget at the bottom of the screen, you can see that the ammo that I carry increases. And I also have different ammo types. Right now I have a shotgun on me, so it shows how much ammo I have for the shotgun, but later on I'll implement other weapons and we'll see different types of ammos, and it'll only show up in the bottom of the screen if it's the right kind of ammo. So I can just walk over these and get all of these, and you can see I have now 96 ammos. Actually 96 bullets, not 96 ammos. At the bottom right of the screen you can see this gun image. That's not fully implemented yet, but that's going to become inventory. There's gonna be 3 weapons there, and you'll be able to switch with like pressing 1, 2, and 3. So that's how that is. Let me go back to the ammo. So the way it works is if you're in this big sphere and you're looking at the ammo, you're gonna see the widget. But if you're in this small sphere, the moment the character is inside this small sphere, it's just going to pick up the ammo automatically. The moment I'm inside this sphere, we're going to be inside this sphere overlap function, and then we're gonna go to this pick up ammo method. So here we just play the pickup sound. We update ammo map, which is a map that we map the ammo count with the ammo type, and then we reload the gun, and then we just destroy the ammo. Yeah, and that's all I had for the past couple weeks. Now I think it looks much more like a decent shooter game. Obviously the environment, I haven't started doing the environment yet, but I'll use assets for that. The base mechanics is starting to look like an actual game. I think the biggest thing that I have yet to implement is the enemies, But before that, I'll do inventory. I think I'll continue with inventory first, and then I'll think about enemies. And yeah, with enemies, simple inventory system, a little bit more environment is gonna look more like a real game, and then I'll be able to implement different weapon types, different types of enemies, different environments, and then it'll be more of a game design problem. Now it's more like a programming problem, I think. So that's all this week. Thank you for watching. See you next time.